Do you still trash your eggshells? Since I discovered how useful they are, I stopped trashing mine. There are several uses and benefits of eggshells, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use eggshells to clean your dirty pots, pans, and kitchen sink. Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Let's turn your pots from this to this in a minute. Let's get right into the video. You basically need just three ingredients. First, your eggs, detergent, and also some baking powder. Very basic ingredients. First, start by washing your eggshells thoroughly. Believe me, you don't want any egg residue or foul odor. To be able to get this amount of eggshells, you either save them up, or if you have a bakery around you, you just get there and request for eggshells. They should have enough. Wash the eggshells very thoroughly. You can now proceed to boil your eggshells for about 20 minutes. Cooking the eggs are very important to help kill the germs. Next, you strain the water out and let it drain for a minute. After that, please proceed to sun dry the eggs, or better still, put them in your oven and bake for some time. Once they are fully dry, pour them into a blender and also go on to add your detergent and your baking soda. You might ask, why this ingredient? How will it help me remove stubborn stain from my pots and pans? Well, eggshells are slightly abrasive, which means it helps scrub off dirt and stains naturally. Baking powder helps boost cleaning power while helping to remove grease and tough stains. Detergent helps break down grease and give the powder extra strength. So after blending, this is how it looks like. If you notice, I did not give it a smooth blend. This is the exact consistency I need. Not too smooth, not too rough. This is what will do the job. So now let's go ahead to test it. So this is the kettle I'll be using to do the test. So you can see for yourself how dirty looking this kettle is. It actually has so many tough stains on it. So I'll wash this kettle with the scouring powder I just made. Make sure to wash to the end to see the final result. So I went ahead to sprinkle a little on it, add small amount of water and scrub. Well, you notice how the eggshells help remove the tough stains, while the detergent helps with the grease. But if you've watched to this point, I believe you have learned one thing or two. Please do well to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be informed anytime I drop any new video. Your support will mean a lot. That is what will encourage me to keep showing up on here. So you can see that I switched to a tougher sponge to help with the scrubbing. This is not iron sponge, it's just a tough sponge. So you can see how this looks. See that shine, smooth, fresh and clean. So tell me why you should spend so much money buying your scoring powder when you can just save up some eggshells and get this done in minutes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.